How to quickly test your deliverability with Gmass. So the idea is to check if our certain mailboxes started to be landing in spam. And this is like number one, like a quick test and free test we can do. So we can go to gmass.co/inbox, and then we go to our instantly. And let's say we have suspicious about some specific mailbox, specific email account, or we need to check every account in our setup, right? So we could pick another, like any campaign, and here we go to sequence, and here we can go to preview. So in preview, you can send actually like a test email, right? So we could set the any account like this one, for example, experiment.co. This is the sender, right? So when we want to check specific mailbox, we could just find the mailbox that we need to test, right? So if we need to check all mailboxes, then you just go one by one and check any mailbox. So we can just also load the data for some lead, just in case we will have here some variables and so on, right? So subject line, okay. So and now send to. So we go to Gmass. So basically, I'm recommending to test with like you don't need to send like to all of this account because there's too much emails for one mailbox. I would recommend to send like 1, 2, maximum 3 emails. So like Gmass is not really 100% accurate, right? So if it shows inbox, it doesn't actually mean that it's like 100% of your emails go to inbox, but Gmass is really accurate in terms of spam. So if your if your email lands in spam here in Gmass, like for 1, 2, 3 mailboxes, like in everything that you see, this is just spam. It means that this mailbox need to be recovered, and you don't need to send emails from this mailbox. So let's check test Chrome compete. This one with Barracuda. One. Let's check also this one, test THUL. And let's check also this one. All right, so we pick 3 emails. We can add 3 emails here. It means that all 3 emails will be in sender, but this is not a problem like for testing. So you shouldn't send each email for each email address. If it's spam, it's spam. If it goes to inbox, it goes to inbox, even with 3 emails here. So send test email, right? So all right, so then copy the subject line and paste it here to see. All right, so like you can see primary inbox. All right, so let's check this email. This email should land to spam because it's in the recovery, but let's see. Like the same way when you put the email, when you put the mailbox in recovery, like for 2-3 weeks, and then in 3 weeks you need to check Gmail. Gmass is also a good way to check it quickly, you know. So all right, so let's check. You see, this one is in spam, so it's too early to send from this mailbox. And if you can see, like in 2 weeks, in 3 weeks, there is no sign of inbox, this mailbox should be deleted, and you should reconnect the new one. So yeah, this is how we do Gmass tests.